The wait is over. Tesla Cybertruck. The Tesla Cybertruck finally reaches customers. Tesla CEO Elon Musk admits, "We dug our own grave with Cybertruck, but deliveries have finally started to reach customers." The wild-looking electric pickup truck will be offered in 3 trim levels. We first saw the Tesla Cybertruck in 2019, and since then the American EV maker has been teasing us through the lengthy development period of its electric truck. Now the teasing is over, because customers have just got their hands on the very first Cybertruck examples. Tesla announced the Cybertruck all-wheel drive will go an estimated 340 miles on a full charge. The company did not reveal battery capacity, though. However, based on prior testing, and the truck's claimed ability to use 42.9 kilowatt-hours of capacity over 100 miles of driving, we can confidently guesstimate the pack size. With the launch of its highly anticipated Cybertruck, Tesla has set a new standard in the electric pickup truck market. The updated details of the vehicle have generated a lot of buzz and excitement among consumers. The Cybertruck boasts some incredible features, including up to 845 horsepower and an impressive towing capacity of up to 11,000 pounds. This combination of power and functionality makes it a game-changer in the industry. As electric vehicles become more popular, Tesla has proven once again that they are at the forefront of this revolution. The Cybertruck has definitely caught the attention of truck enthusiasts who are eagerly awaiting its release and hoping to experience its capabilities firsthand. The task of determining the battery capacity of the Cybertruck fell to our proficient tech team, as the company had neglected to include this crucial information on the truck spec sheet. Armed with their expertise in data analysis and solving complex mathematical equations, our team diligently set out to solve the puzzle. Fortunately, Tesla was kind enough to share some vital details about the mid-level 600 horsepower Cybertruck all-wheel drive. According to their information, this variant could travel an impressive 340 miles on a full charge, consuming approximately 42.9 kilowatt-hours of electricity per 100 miles. Armed with this knowledge, our number crunchers were able to make an educated estimation of the battery pack capacity for the multi-motor model. Calculating this number required a few assumptions, though. Notably, we had to presume Tesla used the EPA's methods to achieve these figures. With that assumption made, we used data from our test of a 2020 Tesla Model Y performance as a reference for ensuring the accuracy of our estimate. The EPA, or the United States Environmental Protection Agency, has specific testing procedures and protocols that automakers generally follow to determine the range and efficiency of electric vehicles. By assuming that Tesla adhered to these methods, we could create a more reliable estimate of the number we were calculating. Furthermore, our test of the Tesla Model Y performance provided us with valuable real-world data that we could compare and cross-reference with the theoretical calculations. This approach helped us validate our assumptions and enhance the credibility of our estimate. As technology continues to advance, so does the need for accurate and precise calculations. This need was evident in the intense scene of our editors working tirelessly to determine the net battery capacity of the Cybertruck all-wheel drive. With numerals, notations, and equations plastered all over the whiteboard, their determination and persistence were palpable. After hours of brewing coffee and inhaling cigarettes, they finally arrived at a consensus. The net battery capacity of the Cybertruck all-wheel drive is somewhere between 125.0 and 130.0 kilowatt-hours. This goes to show the meticulous and comprehensive approach that must be taken in the constantly evolving world of technology. But you want one specific number, right? So, for argument's sake, let's meet in the middle and call it 127.5 kilowatt-hours, or 128.0 kilowatt-hours, if you prefer a whole number. This calculation strikes a delicate balance, providing a reasonable estimate that caters to different preferences. Deciding on a specific number is essential as it allows us to pinpoint one value that represents our requirements accurately. Whether we choose the more precise 127.5 kilowatt-hours or the rounded 128.0 kilowatt-hours, both options serve as practical measures when evaluating the specific amount of energy consumption. Now, armed with this specific number, we can delve deeper into understanding its implications and how it relates to our energy needs. It's no surprise that Tesla's Cybertruck is generating a lot of buzz. The company's bold design has captured the attention of many interested in the future of electric vehicles. While we have efficiency figures for the all-wheel drive version, there's still much speculation around the Cyberbeast, the most powerful variant, set to pack 845 horsepower. While we don't have the same level of detail around efficiency for the Cyberbeast, we can assume the same estimated capacity for the battery pack applies. With a range of 320 miles, the Cyberbeast promises to be a serious contender for those looking for an electric truck that can pack a punch. As Tesla continues to refine and develop their Cybertruck line, it will be exciting to see how these vehicles perform on the road and in the market. If you're worried that the range estimates for the Tesla Cybertruck might not be sufficient for your needs, then you might be interested to know that Tesla offers a range extender option. This option takes the form of an additional battery pack that is mounted in the bed of the Cybertruck. According to Tesla, choosing this feature will increase the all-wheel drive Cybertruck's range to over 470 miles, and the Cyberbeast's range to over 440 miles. Unfortunately, Tesla has not provided any capacity figures for this range extender, and we haven't done the math to figure it out yet. But rest assured, the option is there if you require more range from your Cybertruck.